What's up, team? I want to tell you guys happy New Year's, happy holidays, all that good stuff. I know I ain't posted it in a minute, but you know it's the holidays and everything like that. Man, I know it's been a crazy year, team. But yeah, so let's just do a recap of what has happened since we posted the video. As you see here, DT been out here, Miss Dig, they didn't mark their flags there. I'll tell you about that. Dang, I forgot to charge it, so got to do this pretty quick. Just want to show you guys where we at. What's going on, squad? So look here, I showed you how it was. So I got my 3-inch pipe here, got a boot to 3-inch, and then it goes into a Y that's 4-inch. Then it goes up to my clean out here. Then I got my other boot there. So, and I had to dig it up through the, dig up and go up under the wall. But it came out pretty good. Now we're on. As y'all remember the last video, y'all saw where I had that big T there. So I got to get the rest of this pipe out of here, and then we're good. The water company is coming tomorrow to finally do our water line. It's been a hard struggle, but what's going on, team? We back at it again. So it's gonna be a long one today. So the water company finally gonna have hired a subcontractor to redo my water line. The guys are here. It's the dead of winter. So I want to say this to you guys real quick. This video is gonna be about unsuspected costs, new policy for the Detroit Land Bank. So apparently my property wasn't the only property that was sold with under the understanding that the water service was good. So because they sold me this property saying the water service was good, that means that the water department did not have documentation that this line was cut. And because that happened like that, that means that the water company is going to be responsible to repair this. So this is probably going to be a $10,000 job. So they're covering the cost. So now the land bank, if you go on their website, they changed all the new properties that are posted has a disclaimer in there. I think that's the right word to use. Basically stating that if the water services is cut, the purchaser is responsible for all replacement of the water service. So my particular home has a lead water line. Because it has a lead water line, that has to be replaced, which has to be a permit. So you can pay anywhere between $6,000 to $10,000 to add to, you know, redo your water service if you have a cut water line. So you have to keep that in mind when you buy your $1,000 house. And to be honest with you guys, like the whole world is trying to buy stuff in Detroit. So that $1,000 house is really, like, I feel like $3,000. You know, you may look up and get one for $1,000, $1,200, but literally now you have to be very strategic on when you purchase or try to purchase your land bank house. I personally, I buy my houses in the morning time. You know what I'm saying? I only buy own it now houses. I buy them in the morning time at about between 3 and 4 o'clock, because 3 days after that, then the property will be will be done with the 72 hours, because 72 hours from 3 o'clock will be 3 o'clock in the morning will be 3 o'clock in the morning, you know, in 3 days. So, but jumping back on subject, so be mindful if you buy a Detroit Land Bank house. Call the water department, ask them before you decide to put your bid on the property. Ask them, hey, is this water service cut? You know, you're looking at maybe a 25% chance, 25% chance the water line may be cut and they don't have no records of it. 75% chance you may be good, you know. But if your house has been on a demolition list, there's a good chance that the water line was cut. So that being said, you definitely got to do your homework on these properties. Or if you have the money to to fix it. It's no valve there. It ain't no valve there. Now I don't know. I think I really feel like they just put that there because I had a meter appointment and they the guy came out and he was doing exactly what you do. It's nothing there. I don't. Yeah. It ain't even nothing in there that goes down there. Yep. Yeah, so I'm gonna get to these guys here. Yeah, so I'm still here. I've been here since 7 o'clock this morning. Right now it's 11:31. The guys are still over there working. They have the bore tool and they boring up under the from the opposite side of the street. They're going up under the street and going straight into my basement. They got the borer machine right there. New copper line. New copper line. They just made it go straight into the basement. You see that there? New copper line that's on the other side. Bore straight into the basement. Hey guys, so they got the new water line connected up to the main drain. Let me show y'all. See that there, that copper line? That's the main water line right here. And so they got that going into the house.